Is that right?
What's the question?
You didn't feel that it was important enough for the only other witness to Miss Benning's situation, medical emergency, to go talk to the police, but yet you felt it was
Your Honor,
important.
she has answered that question.
She asked me to repeat the question.
You asked the question
No, I have
after
not.
that and went back to the one before.
Ma'am,
Did you tell Mr. Jones to stay and talk to the police?
I did not tell him to
That's-
stay.
But
That
you
wasn't-
did go to the apartment?
Yes.
Okay.
And when you went to the apartment, you had spoken to 3 officers, 2 to 3, is that right?
I don't remember how many I spoke with, but I spoke with officers.
And surely you knew, because you told them everything that was going on, that they were going to investigate, correct?
Correct.
But yet you felt that it was on you to do the investigation. Is that right?
No.
But you went there before the police went there.
Objection, Your Honor, she answered the question.
Okay, she went there before the police went
Why did you remove evidence? Because according to you, that's a crime scene. Why would you remove evidence from a crime scene?
It was not a crime scene when I went there. There was no one that told me I could not go, so I went.
Didn't you accuse Blaise of a crime?
I told them what I heard on the phone.
Well, let me ask you this. If you believe that Mr. Taylor put something in Miss Benning's drink to cause harm to the unborn child, would that be a crime?
Yes.
And you didn't believe that was a crime?
I did believe it was a crime.
And so you're going to do the investigations for the police instead of allowing them to do it?
Sure.
And remove vital evidence from the scene? What did you do with it?
I didn't have anything.
Who had it?
I moved the camera.
Okay, so let's talk about that. You moved the camera.
I did.
The camera had the potential to video or record Mr. Taylor doing anything that Miss Benning was accusing him of. Isn't that true?
Yeah. Yes.
So why would you move the very thing that could have recorded him?
Because it was not in the location where she had it at.
And isn't that all the reason more to leave it there so the police can see that it was in a location different than what it was?
Sure. Yeah.
So why'd you move it?
Because it was not where it was supposed to be, and if he did come back to her place, we would have seen that.
You also would have seen, if he did what you said that Miss Benning was saying, they would have seen that. Isn't that true?
Yes.
Which one would you think would be more important to preserve? What he did according to what you said Miss Benning said he was doing, or him coming back into the apartment? Which one do you think is more important?
I'm not sure.
And so you then moved that camera into the kitchen area. Did you look at it?
No.
Why didn't you take the camera and give it to the police?
I didn't take anything out.
You were there when Miss Franklin took it out, right?
Correct.
Did you assist Miss Franklin in taking it out?
Objection, Your Honor, she has asked and answered that question.
I've never asked that
there.
question.
Assist her in what?
Did she assist Miss Franklin in removing evidence from the scene?
I walked out with her.
But you didn't have the comforter?
No.
Did you see a washcloth there?
No.
Did you see a glass on the counter?
Yes.
And isn't it true that you stated that Miss Benning was drinking out of a glass?
Mm-hmm.
And that same glass was on the counter, was it not?
Yes.
Why didn't you take that?
I didn't take anything.
Well, you moved the camera.
I did not take anything.
Well, why didn't you move the glass?
It didn't have the same drink in it that she had earlier.
So, when you went back into Ms. Benning's house, did you see a gun there?
No,
Do you know whether or not Ms. Benning had a gun there?
I'm not sure.
I want to draw your attention back to State's Exhibit 1B, which is the comforter. Is this the comforter that you removed? That Ms. Franklin, you watched her remove?
Yes.
Did Ms. Franklin video you guys packing up that comforter?
I'm not sure who videoed.
Was someone videoing?
Yes.
Who?
I don't know. I don't
Well,
know.
how do you know if you don't know?
I know someone was recording, but I don't remember who it was.
So, what made you put gloves on?
I didn't want to touch anything.
You mean with your bare hands?
Yes.
Why were you so careful about not touching anything, but you weren't careful enough to preserve the scene? What was the difference?
I'm not sure.
When you went to the hospital and you started talking to police officers, did you talk to them about Lauren Weber, who had gone to the apartment earlier that day?
I'm not sure. I don't remember.
Did you ever share with anyone that you didn't believe that Mr. Taylor stating that she actually vomited was true? Did you ever make that statement?
I said he never told me that prior to.
And so, were you stating, because this is what I'm asking, when you told the officers he never told me that, were you insinuating that it was not true?
I was insinuating when I was asking him on the phone, and prior to me getting there, what happened, what was going on. He did not inform me that she vomited until after we both disclosed our perspective, or not even perspective, what we both experienced that night.
And didn't you tell the police officers that Lauren Weber or anyone else had not seen any vomit anywhere in the place?
I don't remember.
Could you have said that?
I'm not sure.
How did Miss Weber, when did you talk to Miss Weber that night?
When she got to the hospital,
What time was that?
I don't remember.
Was it before or after she went to Miss Benning's home?
I really don't remember.
You remember talking to her about what she saw when she went into Miss Benning's house?
I don't remember us talking about it.
You don't remember you guys talking about it?
Objection, Your Honor, this has been asked and answered.
Okay, she's answered that.
Let's talk a little bit about the allegations that you made or talked to the police officer about as it relates to Mr. Taylor, okay? You remember talking to them about a cup that was missing.
I don't remember.
You don't remember that?